In this video, we're gonna talk about Crayon AI, which is a artificial intelligence web application. So you can run it directly on your web browser using your PC. Now, basically, artificial intelligence apps are pretty popular right now because they will help you to generate randomized images or like customized images based on particular keywords. And there are like many different out there, but we're gonna check this one here, which was formerly dall-e mini. So it's using this artificial intelligence like script to generate images, which you can then use for inspiration, for ideas, or you can create, I don't know, like gadgets or t-shirts or whatever you want to do with your image. You can then also edit them. Now, this is the website here. It's called crayon.com, and yeah, it's really simple. It doesn't have like many buttons or anything. You just have this like bar where you can insert your keywords. So let's do a test. Let's do an experiment. I want to like create an architectural project and I need inspiration. So I'm going to type some keywords that I want to use in related to some characteristic of my project. So I'm just typing here house and then modern, given that I don't know, I am like an architect or something like that. So I can type here house modern wood, so I can specify some materials. You can again type really important word and characteristic of what you want to create, what you want to take inspiration from. And then I can say vegetation, sea, hill. Well, don't place too many, otherwise you can get really strange and I don't know, confused results. So I'm gonna type this and you can see it's gonna take a little bit of time to generate. So in the meanwhile, we can check here in the frequently asked questions some information. For example, you cannot make larger images at the moment, but you can take these images at the moment like a sketch, like something that you can start with. And do you have an app? Yes, they do have an app on Google Play Store, and perhaps we're gonna do another video guide on that. And also here you can get in touch with the team. You can support them many ways. You can share your work. You can share the website, just like I'm doing. Just you need to credit if you want to use some images. And there's some information about dall-e and how the two are related, and well, other questions here, and also the use. You can use free the free version here. Otherwise, you need to have commercial license if you want to use commercially. But if you use it for like entertainment or personal use, you don't need it. So there you go. This is the results right here. So it generated 9 different images that I can take inspiration from, and the one that I like the most, I can open it up. But you see, this is just gonna be like some randomized and like imprecise image. Of course, it's not gonna be an architectural project yet, but can be of some inspiration of some sort. So I can open up one image by clicking on that. I can save a screenshot if I want, or I can just like move on and make generate other solutions, other options, other variants. So I think this is a really helpful tool if you want to do brainstorming of whatever project you're doing, or just graphic design, industrial design, web design, whatever. Really, you can go here and try to, you know, experiment. So you can see here a screenshot. You can save the screenshot. Once you saved, you can open it up in Photoshop, in GIMP, in Pixar, in Canva, and you will find video courses in graphic design and also other video guides in graphic design in our channel. If you're interested, you can also write in the comments if you want to do some questions. You can write in the comments if you want to give suggestions to other users on how to use this app, or also other, I don't know, ideas about the artificial intelligence technology. And so this will be it. This is a pretty short, easy, fast, quick, simple video guide for you to use this really simple web app, but really interesting and fun to use because it doesn't take any effort. Just go there and play with it. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on other video guides. And if you want to support us, you can join the channel as a supporter. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.